In this video, I will show you how to change GitHub repository from private to public. Just go to github.com and then open your repository name. Here, I have my repository. Just click the repository and then go to Settings. And then here in the Settings, click Collaborators. And then as you can see here that the repository is in private. To change that, click Manage. And then under Danger Zone, change the visibility from private to public. Click and then click I want this repository public. And then click I have read and understand these effects. And then make this repository public. Okay, let's see if the repository was changed from private to public. Just click Collaborators, and then as you can see here, that the repository is now in public. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and just continue following for more tips. Thank you guys.